Moving on to the next question, we have to find the degree of the function in this table here. So whenever you're given a table of values and they're asking you to find the degree of the function, you have to find the first differences and then see which differences are constant, and then whichever differences are constant, that's going to be the degree. So let's do that. Let's find the first differences of these y values. So you take 22 minus 78, which would be negative 56. 2 minus 22 would give us negative 20. 0 minus 2 would give us negative 2. Negative 2 minus 0 would give us negative 2 again. Negative 22 minus negative 2 would be the same thing as negative 22 plus 2, which would give us negative 20. And then negative 78 minus negative 22 is the same thing as negative 78 plus 22, which would give us negative 56. All right, so the first differences are in constants, so we know this function is not linear. It doesn't have a degree of 1. So now let's find the second differences. So we do the same thing, top minus the bottom. So negative 20 minus negative 56 is the same thing as negative 20 plus 56, which would give us positive 36. And then continuing on, negative 20 minus negative 2 minus negative 20 would give us positive 18. And then negative 2 minus negative 2 would give us 0. Negative 20 minus negative 2 would give us negative 18. And then negative 56 minus negative 20 would give us negative 36. So the second differences are not constant, so we know this function doesn't have a degree of 2. Let's find the third differences. So 18 minus 36 gives us negative 18. 0 minus 18 gives us negative 18. Negative 18 minus 0 gives us negative 18. And then negative 36 minus negative 18 gives us negative 18 again. So notice how the third differences are constant. So this function has a degree of 3. And that is your final answer. So you got to keep finding the differences and then see which ones are constant. Depending on which ones are constant, that's going to be your degree.